There is a huge gap in new folks coming into the skilled trades. This program has really shown us that there is another way to bring in talent.
The sourcing that you guys use was a lot broader than what we're used to thinking was possible. We're going like, oh my God, where all these people come from?
It really makes me feel kind of special because when I first started this program, they told me out of almost 300, they'd pick only 4 of us. And I was kind of shocked because knowing that they invested in us and then they really want us to do this, it kind of like boosts my ego and energy to do this and be great.
The investment in working with UpSmith is minimal compared to the risk investment with the same old tired methods. Most excited about the 8 weeks that it takes to get these folks from classroom to vehicle.
Very impressed, very proud of the guys. There's a lot of information that got thrown to them and they've absorbed it, and we evaluated them and everything has come out on top. So I'm very psyched up and see what they could do now out in the field.
They're taking their chance on me. If anything, push me to want to do better, especially since they're investing in me and want to see me do good. I want to pay that forward to them.
Not only are we giving someone a career opportunity, we're giving them the opportunity to earn while they learn. It's completely innovative. I really think that is something that sets us apart in the industry.